we gather not just as leaders, but as people with shared purpose. A purpose to uplift at magbigay ng pag-asa sa mga bawat komunidad na ating ginagalawan.
Ay mga bagay na nakikita na natin at naririnig. Ngunit, pag-uusapan ulit natin at bibigyang diin. Nang sa gayon, matulungan tayong lahat na hanapin yung tinatawag natin purpose.
Iron fist. Hindi pwede yung maawain ka kasi aabusuin ka. Hindi pwede yung sobrang higpit kasi parang buhangin yan. Daway na damo na hinigpitan, damo na mawawala.
One of the reasons many of us don't succeed is we do not embrace our own story. Kung ano man ang pinagdaanan niyo, bahagi ito ng pagbuo ng karakter niyo kung kaya kayo magtatagumpay.
Sabi nga namin, we are always happy to learn. Hindi ako nandito para magbigay ng expert advice. Siguro nandito ako para matuto din.
Not just to learn, but to transform. Not just to succeed, but to become a blessing to others.
Bless ako! Bless kami! Bless tayo! Blessing para sa lahat!
Lahat tayo gusto natin tulungan ang ating mga pamilya. Pero alam niyo ba, para maging isang leader, ang kailangan yung unang i-lead ay sarili ninyo.
Ano man ang kultura sa bahay, ang kultura sa kumpanya. Pero kung talagang leader ka, you will eat culture anytime because leadership is counterculture. Kung mali yan at may decision ka, pwede mong gawa ng paraan yan at discard yan. A leader's behavior eats culture every day. So, I hope we all have this mindset.
Welcome sa inyong lahat. Learn, reflect, and take action.
Minsan naliligaw tayo while finding our purpose, parati natin kinukumpara yung sarili natin sa ibang tao. Collect starting with your passion, your purpose, and the purpose of your company. And the purpose why you exist, your family. Ano yung mga purposes na yun? At tignan mo saan ang common ground.
So every time I see an opportunity in front of me, I ask myself 5 questions. Can I contribute? Mag-excel ba ako rito? Nagtulog ba sa akin ito? Does it turn me on? Am I led in my spirit? If I say yes to all 5, go for it. That's for you. Never ever, at any point in your life, rate your value as a human being less than 10.
There are 2 things that I would like to pinpoint. Number 1, we do not learn from experience, but rather we learn from reflecting on experience. But number 2, and most importantly, it need not to be our experience.